friends, how are you doing today? I'm Ramandeep Singh on your favorite channel, IELTS Coaching. Obviously, because of Corona, your IELTS preparation is affected. And the solution is very easy. My 2 weeks short IELTS introductory course, those with a target of 6 or 6 plus bands can definitely take benefit of this course. इन ट्यूटोरियल्स को डे बाय डे फॉलो करते आप नेक्स्ट 2 वीक्स में अच्छे से अपनी IELTS प्रिपरेशन कर पाएंगे. Those who already have an idea of IELTS but they are not getting their desired bands, it is a wonderful opportunity for them to learn with me and join this course at a nominal charge of only 1000 rupees. And this course would be divided in day 1, day 2, and the day you join, आप अपना day 1 मान के चलिए and day 1 के tutorials को follow करना शुरू कीजिए, and for next 2 weeks you will be learning through me and be preparing for the IELTS